L-ar ħaġa li tagħmel l-Unjoni Ewropea wara l-vot tal-Parlament Ingliż dwar il-Brexit huwa li tieħu deċiżjonijiet maġla, madankollu ir-Renju Unit irid jiddeċiedi xi jrid jagħmel u mhux ikompli jitratini. Dan kien il-messaġġ ewlieni li ħareġ mid-dibattitu li sar fil-Parlament Ewropew fi Strasburgu ftit sigħat biss wara l-vot b'saħħtu li ħa l-Parlament Ingliż kontra l-ftehim ta' Brexit kif innegozjat mill-Prim Ministru Theresa May. Matul l-aħħar sentej kien Michel Barnier li negozja dan il-ftehim fisem il-Kummissjoni Ewropea.
What yesterday's vote showed is that the political conditions for the ratification of the withdrawal agreement are not yet there in London. We regret profoundly this vote.
Fisem il-Kummissjoni Ewropea Frans Timmermans qal li xiġri fil-ġranet u l-ġimgħat li ġejjin fil-verità il-Brexit xorta hija xi ħaġa negattiva.
Brexit does harm. It does harm to the United Kingdom, it does harm to the European Union, and we are under an obligation as politicians to limit the harm to the absolute minimum possible.
Politiku li qed jaspira li jkun il-President tal-Kummissjoni Ewropea wara l-elezzjonijiet ta' Mejju li ġej u għall-kap tal-Grupp tal-Partit Popolari Ewropew Manfred Weber li tkellem dwar l-esperjenza tiegħu li jiltaqa' man-nies.
I see nobody in the European Union who thinks that the British approach is a clever approach. Nobody is telling this to me. British people, the people in the European Union tell me more that they see political chaos, they see economic uncertainty in the British development.
Minħat tiegħu l-MP Nigel Farage li kien ikkampanja b'mod feroċi favur il-Brexit kellu kliem ibes dwar it-tmexxija ta' Theresa May.
She of course believed that she'd get some concessions from you today, but it's perfectly clear with what you've said there are no concessions to come. She is still our Prime Minister, and that of itself is quite remarkable. If she had any sense of honour, she'd be gone by lunchtime today.
Meta jkun hemm ftehim finali dwar Brexit, irid ikun il-Parlament Ewropew li jivvota favur dan il-ftehim.